Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify WordPress for you step by step. If you've ever accidentally deleted your posts and wondered how to bring them back, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore all your trash posts in WordPress quickly, safely, and in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First things first, log into your WordPress account. Go to your website and click the Logs In option, usually found at the upper right corner of the homepage. To make things faster and more secure, choose Continue with Google. Then, select the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once logged in, you'll be automatically redirected to your WordPress dashboard, your main control center for everything on your site. Now, in the dashboard menu on the left, click on Posts. This is where all your articles and blog entries are managed. From here, you'll see different tabs like All, Publish, Drafts, and Trash. Click on Trash to view every post that's been deleted. You'll now see a list of your trash posts. Take a quick moment to review them and confirm which ones you want to bring back. Next, it's time to restore them. Simply select the checkboxes next to the posts you'd like to recover. If you want to restore all of them at once, click the checkbox at the very top to select everything in the list. Then, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu above the list. Click it, choose Restore, and then hit the Apply button. And that's it. WordPress will instantly move all selected posts out of trash and return them to their original state, whether they were drafts, scheduled posts, or already published ones. Everything will be right back where it belongs, just like before deletion. And that's how you restore all trash posts in WordPress. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.